Supposedly the world's smallest, most compact wireless flash triggers. Let's take a look at it close up. I believe the real big deal about this is the USB charging. Let's just flick it open so you can see what you get. Flash trigger manual there, and in here we've got sync cables, USB cables too, so that's very handy. We've got these three units, the receivers and transmitters. You can see the brightness buttons there, little LED, USB, power on off, and the hot shoe itself. Now you'll see it's mounted on this little mount with a screw thread, so that's very handy, very well thought out. I think if you just pull there, you can pull that thing off. That is nice, feels solid. And in here, the flash itself, your off camera lighting kit. Nice little pouch, nice pack of colour filters there, good old USB cable, and there's the flash itself. You can tilt this up and down. As you'll probably be using it off camera, you can point it wherever you want anyway. On this side, a little USB there. I do like this screw thread mount, that's very considerate, for want of a better word. You'll see here we can release that there, so that's pretty cool. And then on this side is where the batteries live. So we've got a couple of batteries in there. You flick on there, lights up. You can see your power levels there from 1/64 to 1.1. You can use a video light or a flashlight, and supposedly you can test it with that one. This is just a quick overview, a little look at the thing. I'm hoping to do a little video on off-camera flash with compact cameras, for example, just to see how fun we can do it, because we can put this into S1, S2 slave mode and trigger it off. Now my G7X, you can do that. It's a little bit fiddly, a little bit funky, but I think I'm going to be having a little play with that and using this to do so. So stay tuned for that. If you've got any tips, let us know in the comments below. This thing, as with the previous model, is very well built. I was hoping it'd be a Li-ion sort of system, but I guess that'll push the price up. My Godox flashes that I use, they're Li-ion batteries now, and I do really like that system. I was hoping that's what this would have. Anyway, I guess for the price, you can't really complain. It's actually light but solid, all plastic except for the mounts. I think the mounts will last a good amount of time. So we're gonna use that. We're gonna take the gels. We're gonna take the pouch. That is all I need for that compact camera test, because I can't fit the triggers on anyway. So these will get a good play out on the Fuji gear, but this will do for travel. Dinky little setup, and I won't cry if something happens to it. Worth noting that it operates on 2.4 gigahertz, 160 radio channels, 10 meter operating range, but no TTL. I know that's a big deal for some of you. Sync cable should work nicely. The lights make everything nice and clear. Buttons feel fine. Get some decent rechargeables in there. Bear in mind, it's supposed to be the world's smallest trigger system. You do get a whole bunch of bits and pieces for a pretty low price. Obviously low power, no TTL, so that contributes to keeping the budget down, but it could be just all you need. I'm going to be using this, as I say, on my little compact camera challenge, and see how we get on. Stay tuned, and hopefully we can share that with you soon.